Okay, so I don't know how this is going to work. This is a mattress that is, I can tell is it is wrapped in plastic. So I've got the plastic cut about a third on each side. So I've got the remaining third to go, and I'm just afraid this thing's going to be like a crazy slinky and just blow up. And so I gotta figure out where I don't know what's gonna happen. So I'm just cutting a little bit at a time. So I'm about halfway through on this side. And I believe this is the bottom of the mattress. Okay, I'm gonna cut from this side. So I'm halfway through over there. I've got about another 18 inches to do on this side. And I don't know, I'm gonna try and throw my body on top of this thing, I guess, when it unleashes out of this plastic sarcophagus. Yeah, I got about 7 inches to go, and I'm wondering if this thing isn't just gonna rip on its own. All right, so I'm gonna try and put some weight on here. Please, baby. Okay, so there's the plastic. I can hear it popping and snapping and boinging. Okay, so this is the tag. I'm gonna put the tag down there for now. Oh my God, what an ordeal! No one got killed. Okay, so let's get this big plastic condom. Woo! Holy skankies! Alright. It's not bad. I think it's supposed to, you're supposed to let it expand a little bit, but definitely better than our last mattress. So not as good as the expensiver ones that we were looking at, but I think it'll do the job. So let me step back so you can see what it looks like. Alright, so there's the new mattress. It's supposed to be 10 inches. And they always lie. It's more like about 8. But then again, like I said, hopefully after 24 hours, it'll get a little bit thicker. Whew, what a chore that was. Now it's time for me to lay down and take a nap.